there's Aaron there. I've been futzing with this for a while. So there he is. He's got a brilliant blue color, like a deep blue, like a really late dusk blue color. And I'm gonna try. I gotta get comfortable here, so this might fidget around here for a second. So sorry about that. I'm trying to keep it as stable as I can though. He's just been sitting there. He's not really. He's just sitting there. He hadn't really done anything. He's just sitting there with his neck, and his weird 22 vertebrae neck. I think it's 22. What is it? He was. He's considerably smaller than Karen. I thought that blue herons were non-dimorphic, but maybe I'm wrong. Let's see if we can get a little closer here. Well, that's as close as I can get. This bird is really close to me. I mean, he's, I don't know, 30 feet away maybe. 30 feet up in a tree right in front of me. And he's just kind of looking at me, and I'm just kind of looking at him. Aaron there, and saw a bald eagle fly over here just the other day. Straight overhead, 100 feet up. And I was there with no camera, like an idiot. Blue jays are going crazy. It must be a hawk or something there, man. It's got like a gray head. And from this angle, it looks gray. I don't know what you're seeing on the camera, but in real life, it's gray, and it kind of blends down to blue at the bottom of his feathers there. This is like the most boring nature video ever, isn't it? Like, what is this dude doing? Why is he not fishing? Why is this guy always looking at these stupid birds? I tell you what, I caught a turtle. That's not fish either. But I caught him, really fought me, got the goddamn hook out of his mouth. It's like he wanted to keep it in there. Excuse me. Starting to cloud up. I wonder if it's supposed to rain today. I'm gonna check the weather. It's supposed to get hot again, and then we're supposed to. I guess we're gonna get it to fall. Okay, I'm gonna set this down because I'm pretty sure these little bastards ate my bait. But I'm gonna try and set this back up on it. But if I don't, that's Aaron the heron. Hi, Aaron. Bye, Aaron.